Hi friends, how are you? Today I'm going to show you another string figure, which is a fish trap. First, you wrap it around your arm and wrap it around again and put these strings together and put it in between the pointer and middle finger. And then put it back down around the middle finger. And now take the two strings with your pointer finger and then pull two more of them down, and then pick up these strings with the pinky and thumb, and then pull the strings that are closer to the pointer and ring finger, and then take these two strings, put it on these two strings, and then put these strings up to make room for pointer and middle finger. Now let's pull these, and now it looks like this. And now the last step is to take the bottom strings and then put it to the front. And now we got the fish trap. I hope you liked this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching.